Every once in a while you see something strange that you don't normally see, and you have to try and figure out whether it's a problem or a glitch or whatever. So we're going to take just a quick look at some fault codes. The driver's complaint was the check engine light came on, the stop engine light came on. He pulled over, shut the key off, waited a few minutes. The stop engine light went off, but the check engine light was on. So he came back, he flipped around and came back to the shop, and we took a look at it. And this is what we found, and I'll tell you what was wrong. If you were following in my earlier after treatment series, you know that the very minimum between these stages of plugging should be 8 hours. And if you look over to the right, it was all within about a half an hour. And the problem was that the sensor was failing. And there's actually a service bulletin out about the sensor, and some of them were picking up moisture and then failing. And then this is what they do. They just send out the wrong information to the ECM. And of course, the ECM acts on it. And 1922, if you remember, turns the red stop engine light on and pretty much derates the engine, puts you on the side of the road. So we replaced the sensor and ran it through a regen. All the restriction numbers look great, and he was back on his way. Thanks for joining me at Engine Shop Joe.